What's up, everyone? Mikey bringing you a new video. This is gonna be a little long video because I want to update my Survival EDC wheelchair bag. So if you don't like long videos, I think you don't want to watch this. Well, do what I do. I watch it in some parts, and I watch a lot of videos when I eat food. But today, I kind of want to update my wheelchair bag. Um, Bring it over to you. Okay, this is my EDC bag, wheelchair bag, survival bag. I have a lot of names for it because a lot of people can put their survival bag in their car, but since I'm in a wheelchair, I don't have a car, so this equals to survival and EDC. So I need a big bag for it, just because I want everything that I need into one bag. When I need it, I want it. So this changes the from winter to different seasons, and like if if I go somewhere, I might take something out or put something in. So we're gonna start by uh let's do the little part first. We I used to carry the big mag light, so I got these cell batteries. They're good to have just in case you can never have enough batteries. Um, a little handkerchief just in case if you got a runny nose or just, sweating summertime like now. I need it. Get sweaty, get nasty. I have extra triple A's, double A's, batteries, in the baggie. Um, no, so far. Yeah. I should have put everything up before I made this video, but oh, I think I had this little multi-tool, and it adds a little flashlight. I think it don't work no more, but Multi-tools. You can't go wrong with the multi-tool. Got a glow stick, snap plate, which if that was the only thing that I had, I'll be okay with it, but it's not the first thing I'm going for, so that's just a backup. That's like when all my flashlight batteries are dead. That's a that's a real ace, no, SHTF moment. That's about it. I do gotta add, I'm gonna add scissors to the bag, put everything back before I forget. I have a real tendency to forget a lot. So if you don't do it now, it will never get done. So, uh, scissors, this is just a $10 pair that I sharpened to a fine razor edge, stropped it, and now it's very sharp. And scissors are good for public because a lot of people, when they see a knife that's like black, white, um, has a long blade on it, they're gonna get freaked out. So if you gotta cut something, scissors are a good alternative than a knife. And I don't know why, but whenever I can never get this in one shot. Um, there we go. This video was like on my mind for a while because I've been watching this. This guy is very nice. He's very funny. His name is Step One Survival. Um, I love his videos. I love his family videos. He thinks about other people, and that's how I am. And the next part is the the upper little part. and Magic got hand warmers. These are good for your feet too, if you got no feet warmers. Um, I I really fucking hate cold feet. So cold feet. Uh, I'm doing everything that I can to not have cold feet. So um, I got this cheap. I don't know what's it called, but it's very cheap. I got that Walmart for like $5. And it's $5. And the page is sharp because I sharpen it. So if it breaks, I don't give a shit about it. I had this knife for like almost a year and a half. Um, I will be adding my portable phone charger and phone charger wire with the wall input because I want to have my phone working. I take the bus and I don't really trust the bus company. I don't trust a lot of people in general. So having the phone on me if they don't show up, call them or call my dad or someone I know to help me. Um, in the big compartment of the bag, I got gloves. I will be adding a flashlight too. Um, because when when I'm in a situation, I want everything that I could possibly need. Um, I hate the feeling of not having what I need in a moment. So I got a little lantern, which is about 2 years old, and all you do is grab it and bring it up. I actually used this a couple of years ago when I first got it because the power went out for like a couple hours. So that really came in handy. I think it went out 2 days after I bought it and got it. So medical kit. This is just band-aids, alcohol wipes. Eh, If you if you know me personally, I I'm a professional sharpener. I do sharpening for people, and I teach sharpening to my old church I used to go to. I teach the kids how to sharpen a knife, how to handle a knife. And the first thing I do, I say, before you sharpen a knife, handle a knife, have one of these around. Because no matter what, you're gonna cut yourself. So always have one of these around. Just not even if you play with knives. Just have one around. It's just, this was like $15 on Amazon, and I used this once because my dumb friend cut himself with my Spyderco tenacious rest in peace. My Spyderco. But what else? That's that's about it. Now what I'm gonna do is, well, no, I I have this in my bag too. I knew that was gonna happen. The Max Expedition Fat Boy. Um, in here got a little blanket, army blanket. I have tools for my wheelchair. I go into that a little bit later. I have this little stream light, pen light. I have this, tonight, the little keychain one. That's always good to have. Just give it out to someone if they need it. I have markers just in case. And I feel like there's a bug on there, but I have a ladder, a piece of ladder, because leather keeps your knife sharp if you strap it. So if I'm cutting, I can just swipe it a couple times and my knife is just back to normal. I do have extra money in here just in case. So that's about it for the Fat Boy. Um, why do I have tools? Because I'm dropping shit everywhere. Um, Tools. Why? Well, I'm in a wheelchair, and my new wheelchair, whoever makes this wheelchair, didn't graduate um, wheelchair building school or whatever. This this is giving me so much problems. The controller goes, the wire get loose, the foot pads get loose, the battery, some some of the bolts come loose. So I bought a set of wrenches, ratchet wrench, and the guy who comes out to fix it, I asked him what the size of the bolts and everything, and he said like 11 to 13. So I bought like a whole set, and I have a backup set. So I have, I got my ways to be my own mechanic if I need to, which I had done before. Um, what I will be adding to my pack is my new flashlight. Um, this is the one on TV that you see running it over and shit. The indestructible flashlight, which I'm pretty sure if you shot the shit out of this, it will break. I bet you. But I like it. It's pretty good. Um, my light goes off in the back of my house. So whenever I get nervous or worried, I just go outside and look with this. So that goes in here too. And I do have more batteries on the sides. Double A, triple A's. I know I have another D cell battery. Um, I save batteries. Like I have a portable battery charger, and whenever something goes out or loses some power, I just replace that one and just put the old one on the charger. And I've been doing that for like a couple months now. So, like this is my wheelchair light. I had this on my wheelchair at all times. And this is 18650 battery. And I have an extra battery, which the flashlight that I put in there, it takes either triple A's or 18650. So I have, I have batteries on my ass, I'm sure. So batteries you can't go wrong with. Having having enough batteries can't go wrong. Um, I will be adding water. I just gotta find a better way to store it because the last time I put 2 bottles of water in my bag. They all spilled. I don't know how. I have no idea how they got loose, or I really don't know. Um, Water. I want to get like some candy. Just in case if I don't know my breath stink, or like I just need like a sugar thing. I can't tell you how many times I've been out and I just get like real fidgety and like I need sugar and I just want some sugar. When I want to be able to have enough stuff to get home if I need anything. I want it in my bag. In the winter, I put uh, a hoodie, extra socks, cold feet. I don't do cold feet, like I said. I just put uh, extra clothing in my bag. Um, Lighters. You always need lighters and matches. I always have one. I found this one in my wood bench, and I'm always gonna have it on my wheelchair. I have one in my bag, which I didn't show you. My bad. But lighters, pens, um, if you want toilet paper, I don't really need that. But if you want it, go right ahead. Never know. Um, yeah, that's about it. Um, I wish I could um, carry a gun, but in my state, it's dumb. Uh, that's that's all I'm gonna say about it. Hmm. But yeah, that's definitely it. Um, there's a whole bunch that you can put stuff in. I really don't know why people don't do this on a daily basis because I don't want to sound paranoid, but you never know. Um, you get a flat tire at night. You don't have a flashlight. What are you gonna do? You just never know. Uh, a knife, scissors, never know. I love that word. I love that saying. You never know. Um, um, that's about it. I just want to go over some stuff with you. What I have in my bag. I will be adding food, water, and everything else. If anything dramatic, dramatic change with this, I will update you and I will do a video about that. Do a whole new video. Um, but that's about it. I really want to say thank you to Staff Sergeant Badass, uh, Step 1 Survival YouTube channel. I love your videos. I'm a real big, I don't comment. I don't really get into commenting. I just enjoy videos. I watch the videos. Whenever I wake up, I make lunch or breakfast and I watch videos while I eat. And I just bought a little handheld radio. So I gotta mess with that a little bit. So, goddamn, already 31 minutes. I'm so sorry. I'll let you go now. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. I love all of you. And like I always say, never give up, never surrender, and give loyalty and respect to everyone, especially your damn self. I love all of you. Thank you for watching.